In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Equinox key fob. This process is very easy to do and it'll take you under 5 minutes. The only thing you will need is a CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online, and if you check the link in the description, that'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you might need is something like a coin just to help open this thing up, but you can actually do it just with your fingers with no tools at all. One note here is there are a couple of versions of this Equinox key with the flipping key. I have the 3-button version. There is also a 5-button and a 4-button version of the same device. Doesn't matter which one you have. They all take the same process to open it up, and they take the same battery, so you can just follow along regardless of which one you have. The first step is to flip out the internal key, and now we're actually just going to be pushing this back section of plastic off, and you can actually just do it by coming in here on the little lip on the inside, holding this part, because this section of plastic will not be moving. You hold that and you push up, and it actually comes off pretty easily. You can pull this back piece right off of there. And if it's a little tight, or if you're unable to do that, you can go ahead and grab something like a quarter. And what you want to do is just insert it in here, not on this top part, just on the bottom part that you just saw come off. You want to go right in about there, and you can just twist. And once you start to open this thing up, you can just then pull it off with your fingers. From here, we have access to the battery. It's really easy to remove. If you can see, there's one side that has this kind of plastic tab that's holding it in place. If you just push lightly, it'll pop right out. If you push right next to that tab, show you once more, right here, find the tab, push down, and it will click right out of there. You can go ahead now and dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032, and when we are putting the new battery in, we want the positive side that has the text and the plus sign on it to be facing up. So you just slide and push it in there, positive side up. And now all we need to do is click this back piece of plastic back on there, and we are finished. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We've got you covered with videos for pretty much every device from every maker model out there. You can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.